In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your organization's logo in Google Workspace, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're fresh to Google Workspace or just looking to enhance your organization's branding, this quick guide will help you get your company logo up and running smoothly. To start off, you'll need to head over to Google Workspace. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Google Workspace's main page. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Admin Console. This is where all the magic happens for your organization's Google account management. Make sure you're logged in using your business email. It's crucial because the Admin Console is only accessible with authorized, not personal accounts. After logging in, you'll need to go to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a grid-like icon, which is often termed as the Google Apps menu. Click on this menu to reveal various Google services. Next, look for the admin icon within this menu and click on it. It might not be immediately visible, so you might need to scroll a bit to find it. Clicking on the admin icon transports you to a more comprehensive dashboard for administration options. Once you're in the admin section, you should be directed automatically to the home section of the admin panel. If not, don't worry, you can navigate there manually. The home page is essentially your launchpad to various customization options and settings. On arriving at this point, you'll want to locate the Add Logo option. It's designed to streamline the process of customizing your organization's display settings. Clicking on Add Logo will direct you to an area specifically tailored for personalization. In the next step, you'll need to upload your logo. There should be a prominent button labeled Select File to Upload. Clicking on this will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to browse through your computer to find your logo file. Ensure your organization's logo is saved somewhere easy to find, preferably in a widely supported format like PNG or JPEG. Locate it, select it, and then click Open to upload it to your Google Workspace. Finally, and this is very important, do not forget to save your changes. Once you've uploaded your logo, look for a Save button, usually located towards the bottom right of the screen. Click on Save to ensure that all your changes are stored successfully. And there you have it, a professional touch to your Google Workspace in just a handful of minutes. With your logo uploaded, every part of Google Workspace that your organization touches will reflect your brand. Thanks for following along. We hope this was helpful, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.